Welcome to Well's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am showing you all Poha Bhujing, which is like a famous dish of Nagpur and Maharashtra, and I loved it when I tried it, and so I thought of coming up to you with this dish. So you need 1 cup of poha, that is 250 gram, or 1 cup of poha. We need 1 kg of boneless chicken, boneless cut into small cubes. Then we need around 3 potatoes sliced like this. Okay. Then we need oil. We need 3 onions finely chopped. So this is what we need. Then we need for poha Bhujing masala, that is poha chicken masala. We need 2 green chilies, 6 pepper, around 6 cloves, cinnamon stick, and 4 green cardamom, 2 tablespoon of roasted coconut. So this all you need, and we need some cumin powder, and we need some coriander powder. So first thing what we have to do, marinate our chicken with salt, cumin powder and coriander powder. So you have to take around 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. So this is our marination for our chicken. Then we need some salt to taste. Salt to taste. Apply this nicely, and we'll have to put this potatoes too in this, which are sliced, and we'll marinate all this nicely. Nicely you marinate all this together so that potatoes also get the salt and the coriander powder and everything. And we'll leave this for a few minutes for marination, or maybe 30 minutes or something like that you can keep. Till then we will grind this and keep. So we grind this roasted coconut, and all the spices, and you have to grind this dry. So let's grind this together. So this is no adding water, it has to be like suka suka. Okay, then this is done. Now this is the masala for this, and now we will have to grill this, or you can fry it on a pan. So for that you have to take some like this sticks, and then put this chicken piece in this. How you do for your tikka, it is same thing. Put on this, and then again this one. And this way, and we will now either you can fry it or you can grill it in oven. In oven, then it is around 200 degrees Celsius. Preheat it for 10 minutes and then just grill this for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. And if you're frying, then put like this and put it on a pan and fry this all the side nicely. Because it is boneless and it is chicken, it doesn't take much time to get cooked. If anybody likes potatoes, then you can always take more potatoes. Because some like potatoes. So yeah, so we will do it now, and I will grill it in oven 200 degrees Celsius, which is I preheated, and then after that I'll show you the next procedure. So let's apply some oil on this. Apply oil nicely, little bit on the sides. And then let it go in the oven now. So this is my same pan where I roasted my coconut. I'm using that only. And now we will take oil, around 1 teaspoon of oil, a tablespoon of oil, sorry. 1 tablespoon of oil, and we will fry onion. So let's add our onion in this and fry it nicely. High flame. So now I added my grilled chicken. Okay, so these are the steaks, and I added my grilled chicken and potatoes in this. They're all nicely cooked. Now we will add masala, Poha Bhujing masala in this, and fry this all nicely, and we'll add salt to taste to this. High flame. Just check the salt. So we'll add salt to taste. And fry this nicely We'll cover this and cook this for 5 minutes. And we'll add a little bit of water to this, very little. Just check in between. And now we'll put off the gas and put our poha in this. And then just mix this poha. This is not soaked, nothing. This is white plain poha, and just it will get in that only cooked, and that is the speciality of this. And we'll just keep this closed for 5 minutes. And it is nicely mixed. See that you mix it nicely. And just close this for few minutes. And then we will serve this. And our Poha Bhujing is with that same heat, it will get cooked. Poha. So this is the speciality of that, and we'll wait for 5 minutes. So when it's nicely done, Poha Bhujing is nicely done. And it's very tasty. The aroma is also very nice. And we'll garnish it and we'll have this famous dish from Maharashtra and Nagpur, Poha Bhujing, that is chicken poha or Poha Bhujing. It's famous for Poha Bhujing. So let's serve our Poha Bhujing now. So we'll take potatoes and chicken. And enjoy our, you can have for breakfast, you can have for dinner. It's nicely cooked. The potatoes looks very nice. And we will garnish this with, I like corianders and all to garnish. So I will put some corianders. And I will give a tinge of lime juice to this. So if anybody wants lime juice, you can always add lime juice to this. And here is my Poha Bhujing. Enjoy!